Hi everyone. So we are starting GATE live classes. Probably in a couple of days we'll start. And currently discount is going on in the website. Please register as soon as possible to get the discount. And I've been getting hundreds of emails from lot of students saying that, sir, we didn't know that you are going to start the GATE classes, and so we have joined in this institute, that institute, and we have paid this fee, and we are not able to pay your fee, right? So that is a genuine reason, right? If you have already joined in some institute and now you came to know that I am starting the classes, and if you want to learn from me, then that is truly a genuine issue. We want to address that. So if you have prepared, or if you have joined some other institute before April 1st, okay, which means before today, if you have joined some other institute, you can send us the proof that you have joined that institute, and also we will verify your email ID and login. We'll check the login, and if you have really enrolled in some other institute and if you want to learn from me, then definitely we will give you the course at a very discounted price on the humanitarian grounds. Okay, I don't want you to miss the opportunity to learn from me, right? And it is not just about money. I want to help as many students as possible. And my challenge is, if in any GATE paper, either GATE DA or GATE CS, if you don't get 90% of the questions from my lectures, okay, listen to it carefully. If you don't get 90% of the questions from my lectures, I will leave teaching. Okay, this is a challenge, right? And I have been training for a long time, and whoever teaches GATE computer science, everyone follows my lectures. I have set the standard. Now it is time to raise the standard and raise the bar, and again, yeah, so it is a lot of hard work and I'm ready to do that. I'm not saying that I am the best, but my efforts will always be there to be the best. Okay, so people call me god of computer science, right? And I don't know if I truly deserve that name, but I will definitely try to live up to your expectations, right? And I would love many people to join my course and get benefited. And my course is priced at a very affordable price. We can't go beyond that, right? So please do, if you have already registered in some other institute, please send us the proof, and the WhatsApp number is given in the description. We will give you a very good discount so that you will not feel like you have spent too much on GATE. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you all.